Hi there, I'm Rowan Wolf, the CEO of Turmalina Metals, and welcome to this video update of what is a truly exciting time for the company. As many of you know, we've been focused on developing the San Francisco breccia pipe located in San Juan in Argentina. This incredible breccia pipe has returned some of the highest copper, silver, and gold grades ever found for this deposit style, up to 6% copper equivalent, or over 10 grams gold equivalent. Over the last 3 years, we've been testing the breccia pipe at greater and greater depths, with recent drilling focused on depths of between 400 and 600 meters. High grades in these pipes are typically focused on the ends of the pipe, in what we call the lobes. Now, several weeks ago, we announced the results of 4 holes that tested the width of the pipe between the high-grade lobes, below all previous drilling. These holes here. As expected, these holes define mineralization along the margins of the breccia, adjacent to a lower grade core. This confirms that the breccia pipe is following our geological model. These holes now allow our team to model the shape, model the geology, and most importantly, model the mineral resource of the entire pipe, not just the high-grade zones. Now, while this modeling work is underway, our exploration focus has shifted to exploring some truly exciting new projects. Now, in July, we announced the incredible 10-fold expansion of the San Juan project from 3,000 hectares to over 30,000 hectares. This new area has numerous mineralized tourmaline breccias and several gold vein systems. Our initial exploration of this ground has identified breccias with diameters of up to several hundred meters and returned rock chip assays of up to 5 grams gold. So a very encouraging initial start. Now, the region we're in has previously been known as an epithermal gold district. Several high-grade gold mines have been developed along this belt, and our exploration team has already identified several gold vein systems on our new ground. Now, these new gold vein systems that we've discovered are currently being mapped and sampled. And initial sampling have returned highly encouraging gold and silver results from multiple vein systems. Some of these vein systems are up to 1.5 kilometers long and tens of meters wide. So at the moment, we currently have multiple teams out on the ground taking thousands of samples of both regional soil samples and detailed sampling of key targets, both breccias and vein systems. So it's already clear from our initial sampling that this new ground is as prospective as our original holding, if not more so. And we are looking forward to drill testing some of these new systems later in the year. We're also continuing our aggressive sampling program at Chinampe in Peru. At Chinampe, we have identified not 1 or 2, but to date, at least 6 strongly mineralized breccia pipes. Pipes of grades better than what we see at San Francisco in Argentina. And these pipes are completely undrilled. Historic drilling at Chinampe included a few holes that tested 2 other breccia pipes, and these holes returned San Francisco type grades that have never been followed up. We're looking at 60, 70 meter intervals of 2% copper, 1 or 2 grams gold, and strong silver. Now, we're close to gaining our drill permits at Chinampe, and in the meantime, we'll continue to aggressively explore this strongly mineralized project. Finally, over the past year, South America has been hit hard by the COVID pandemic. And this has affected our operation in many, many ways. But we're now starting to see a drop in new case numbers as the vaccines roll out. And we're all starting to look forward to operating in a more flexible environment. So that's the update. We're at a truly exciting time in the growth of Turmalina Metals. We're now moving from a period where we were testing one incredible breccia pipe, and we're moving to testing multiple exciting new targets, both at San Francisco and at Chinampe. We currently have a large field team out conducting field work at both projects, and we look forward to updating the market with new results as they come in. Thank you for listening.